Hi, I'm Traci Lynn, and I want you to move your body for 12 minutes and 30 seconds. That's it, to a full body fusion, strength, cardio, core stability workout featuring functional compound movements. Moving your body in this way allows for a shorter yet effective workout. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to watch my channel intro videos where I talk more about these workouts so you can understand what they're all about so you can get the most benefit. So my workouts are full body fusion. You'll be moving your upper and your lower body together with compound movements, but they are very customizable. If you don't want to do the upper body movements, just hold those weights and get a lower body workout. The other way around works too. You decide on that intensity, how heavy you want those weights to be. You go at your level, you listen to your body, and you listen to where you feel today. That's how you do it. Modify these movements in any way you need to. If you can't do full range of motion on a squat or a lunge, do what you can do. If you can't hold a stationary lunge, because it's a lot of balance, core stability work, you modify where you need to, bring a leg in. Just make it your workout. Challenge yourself where you can, as long as you can keep that proper form. With that said, be sure to get that video down, those basics of proper form down. I don't include warm-ups and cool-downs with most of my workouts, but it is important to warm up. And I have a warm-up video right there. And I also have a cool-down. So if you haven't warmed up, I would jump right over to that warm-up video. All these videos are linked down below. So let's work out. This is a 12-minute and 30-second workout. I call this a quick moves workout because I want you to try to move a little quicker in each move. If you can, again, make it yours, modify. We have 8 moves. That's it. 8 moves, 3 groups. First group, 3 moves times 2. Second group, 3 moves times 2. Third group, 2 moves times 1. On for 35 seconds, off for 20, and if you need to rest longer, you do that. Or if you don't want to rest, don't rest. This is a little more challenging. Free weights, medium to heavier set, 8s, 10s, 12s, which I don't have right here, whatever that looks like for you. Maybe even 5s if you're a beginner. Lighter set, 3s, which I don't have, and 5s, or even 8s. Again, what works for you. I'll be changing them around. I usually go lighter so I can talk and not sound winded with these workouts. I am going to try to start with the 10s and I'll probably adjust. So I'm going to show you the first move and then I'm going to start that clock. Actually, I'll show you the first 2 moves. The first 2 moves. This is a straight leg lunge, or straight leg in the back. We're getting the work in the front leg. If you want to do a regular lunge, that's fine too. Just row it up just like this. Arms are in towards your ribs, shoulders are out of your ears. Squeeze those shoulder blades together, line that knee up. We'll go to the other side. We'll turn those palms down and get into the upper back, rear shoulder muscles, like this. Pull it up, squeeze those shoulder blades together. Just move a little quicker, if you can. I'm going to hold those weights since we're starting, and the clock is going to start now. Okay, here we go. 5 seconds, line it up, move as fast as you can. Chest is up, abs are tight. A lot of core stability work. 6, all these workouts that I have, you're moving upper and lower body together, or even if you're not, you're still working your core, but your core really is engaged when you're working both parts of your body, the compound movements. Whew, that's a lot of talking. Whoa, balance, balance. Whew. Oh, I can feel those glute muscles working. Turn the palms. The weight's getting a little challenging, more challenging in this angle, so you might want to lighten them. You have 4 seconds to do that. Ready? Keep the tops of your shoulders out of your ears. It's really easy to tense up. Keep that knee lined up. Keep your foot over your foot, over your ankle. Keep those shoulder blades back. Balance. Trying to move quick. Next move, squat with shoulder press. Down, I'm going to touch my knees down, go as far as you can, go down. Don't let your knees cross your toes, just like that. Press it up. These are heavy. These are out of here after this. Keep those shoulder blades together. Put down in that squat as far as it works for you. You don't have to be all extreme. Sit back on your heels. That's it. Okay. I'm going to the 8s. Bye-bye 10s. Whew. Done a couple workouts before this. My muscles are a little tired. Woo! Okay. Are you ready? Lat row, straight leg in the back. Just want to bend it. Working on that front leg. Core stability muscles. I have 8s now. Whoa! Lots of balance. What is going on? Balance is off. Okay, other side. A 20-second rest goes really fast. So rest longer if you need to. Okay, balance is a little off. So it's really important to keep that core engaged and strengthened. It's all core stability work, these workouts. Moving your upper and lower body together. Your core is coming along for the ride. Shoulder blades together. Keep those shoulders out of your ears though. Chest is up, abs are tight. Knees lined up. Okay, the squats. This will go very quickly. Okay. Sit back on your heels. Keep those knees lined up with your ankles. Whoa, gosh. One more. Woo! First group done. Bye-bye. Okay, next move. Angle that foot a little. Curtsy, lunge, back up, bicep curl. Elbows are in, you're just moving your forearm. Line that knee up. Up, up, just like that. Curtsy. You can even just change it into a back angled lunge if that works better for you. Okay, other side, but we're doing tricep extensions. Angle that foot, kick it back. Keep those elbows in, just moving the forearm. Back around. Traci for angled lunge. Okay. I'm going to go to the 5 pounds. Are super tired from a couple of the workouts we've done, so the 5 is still challenging, even if you haven't worked out yet. Okay. As soon as you throw this cardio in there like this, the weights become heavy, heavier than normal. And we're moving quicker. It could definitely be compared to a HIIT workout. I can tell you, I'm burning more calories, and so are you. More calories than my metabolism is so high compared to doing a 3-mile run. Try to kick that. I forgot that third move. So we're going to do that right now, twice in a row. 3 moves in this group. Okay, here's the next move. You might want to drop down to the 3s because when your arms are up like this, the weights get really heavy. Reverse alternating lunge with chest flies. I'm going to keep my palms down. Okay, these are heavy for that movement. I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna try it again. And then we're on the ground for 2 more movements. Oh. Keep it going. Whew. Whew. Last one. Whoa. Those little 5s. Don't let those fool you. Those got really heavy. Down on the ground. Bicycles. Good bicycles. You need to put your feet down. Put your feet down like that. Elbow to knee. Put your feet down if it's too hard on your lower back. Just like this. Or go back. Whatever works for you. Watch that lower back. Crunch-ins. Lean back in your hands. Just crunch it in. Just like this. Put your feet down if you need to. Oh yeah. Holy. This is quick. Effective. I'm sweating. If you need to put your feet down, put your feet down. That's as fast as I'm going with this quick moves workout. Oh, you did it. Doesn't have to be a lot and it doesn't have to be perfect, but we've got to move our bodies. That was 12 minutes and 30 seconds. That's it. That will get you through your day. That's a great workout. And I'm telling you, I just burned more calories and raised my metabolism more than I would on one of my 3-mile runs. So, thank you. A thumbs up would be great. Share this channel, this workout, my channel with friends and family on social media, off social media. Comments are welcome. Subscribe if you haven't. And don't forget to hit that notification bell because that's the only way you'll know every time I upload a new workout. Download my workout log and all the videos I've mentioned are all linked down below. So thank you for joining me and I look forward to having you in my next workout. So have a great day and take care.